from Kerala. And viewers, no end to ragging horror in Kerala. After ragging in a medical college in Kottayam, now another incident of ragging has been reported. And this one is from Trivandrum Government College. What we have learned is that first-year student was assaulted by seniors, dragged, insulted, beaten up. In fact, it didn't end there. He was assaulted, and when refused, the seniors spit in the water, and seniors, in fact, forced him to drink that water. Take a look at this report.
This is Karivattam Government College in Trivandrum. Now, another shocking ragging incident has been reported from Kerala. This is not one such incident. In the last few weeks, multiple ragging incidents have been reported from Kerala. Now, here in Trivandrum, a first-year biotechnology student has alleged that 7 third-year students have beaten him. They took him to SFI unit room and they assaulted him. Now, the police is investigating the matter. The first-year student first informed the principal about the incident. The principal then spoke to the anti-ragging cell here in the college. They then collected evidences where they got CCTV footage. They spoke to other students, and later it was revealed that what this first-year student is saying is correct. Now, the principal then informed the police, and police is now investigating the matter. Only after anti-ragging cell submits their report, Karakotam police will take any action. Meanwhile, the college authorities have suspended all 7 students. We spoke to government officials, and government here is saying that there have been multiple ragging instances that has been reported in Kerala. And now the government's plan of action is to form a state-level anti-ragging cell who will look into such incidents. Now, in the past few weeks, there have been multiple instances, and one such incident was from Kottayam Government Nursing College. Where exactly is such incidents going to stop? When exactly is such incidents going to stop is the real question. How long will these students have to face such issues in colleges is the real big question.
And viewers, after we got reports of another ragging horror in Kerala, after Trivandrum ragging horror, 7 senior students have been suspended. Action has been taken in this case as well. That's the latest update coming in. Arpita is now joining us live for more on this. Arpita, this is absolutely shocking because first it was Kottayam and gruesome details came out, and we really thought that after action was taken in that ragging incident, things perhaps will change. And now we have another incident, and that too from Trivandrum, where now we are also learning action has been taken, but it seems that, suspension is not enough because it's not really changing the mindset of the people there who are indulging in such inhumane behavior.
Yes, rightly said. There is no end to ragging incidents that is coming out from Kerala. Last week we had an incident from Kottayam Nursing Government College, and now an incident has been reported from Trivandrum where a first-year student has alleged that 7 senior students has assaulted him. They took him to SFI unit room. They beat him, and when he asked for water, they spat on it, and they made him to drink that water. So these are the allegations made by the first-year student. The first-year student immediately informed the principal. The principal later informed the anti-ragging cell, and they conducted an inquiry where it was found that they got CCTV visuals, and they also spoke to fellow students where they got a confirmation about all these incidents. In the CCTV visuals, clearly they can see these senior students dragging him to the SFI unit room. So now an investigation is underway. The college authorities have suspended all the 7 accused in the incident, and police has registered an FIR, and the police is investigating the matter.
All right.
This is not one such incident. We spoke to Kerala Education Minister Arvind.
Right. All right, Arpita, thank you for the moment for joining us and getting us all those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this story. For now, we'll slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.